Unlocking wisdom, commerce, poetry, and thoughts on life. Welcome to our unique journey where numbers meet words and finance blends with the rhythm of poetry. Here, we decode the complex world of commerce, making it accessible and intriguing for everyone. Dive deep into the intricacies of accounting with us, unraveling its mysteries one ledger at a time. Navigate through the dynamic realms of finance, where we simplify investments, budgets, and much more for your understanding. But it's not all charts and figures. Our channel celebrates the beauty of words through short poetry. Engage with our thoughts and blogs, where we ponder life, dreams, and the intersection of art and commerce. Subscribe and join a community passionate about learning, creating, and exploring the vast worlds of commerce and creativity together.